Hey there, how we all doing today? By this rectangular box we're looking here, we're taking a look at a special Seiko. This is a Seiko Pressage. You could tell there with the gold lettering. This is going to be a SHIPPO enamel piece with these special limited editions. They come in some of these cool wood boxes, and there you got the booklet and everything. And let's get this guy in opened up, and this blue is stunning. I've seen it online, pictures of it, but let's take a look at it in person with y'all. This is part of the 110th anniversary of wristwatches. Seiko did more than wristwatches. Seiko's been around for over 140 years, but with this one here, they're celebrating 110 years of wristwatches. So in case you see the two dates, why does it say 110? Why does it say 140? That's the two different anniversaries. 140 was before, now the 110th anniversary. The SHIPPO enamel is stunning. It's supposed to represent the deep blue color of the ocean. And see here, you can see it comes telling you about the SHIPPO enamel and the artisan who helped make it. It's a 190-year-old enameling technique, which they first learned over in Europe and brought it over and made it their own. And here you can see the beautiful movement in there, the polishing and everything. This is a caliber 6R27, which has 28,800 vibrations per hour, or 8 beats per second. The power reserve on this guy is 45-hour power reserve, and it is a 29 jeweled watch. And the dial is SHIPPO enamel dial, and it is got created by an artisan. Again, it is a technique that is 190 years old, and they use the same technique to do on the dial here. And you can see the leather strap. You saw the buckle on the bottom. That is just the Japanese way of doing the wristband. European style is on the top, and Japanese is where you have the buckle on the bottom. So I have a lot of people that ask, why is it upside down when they first get the watch or see the watch? It just fits better, and then the watch, because the buckle is on the bottom, it leans in towards them so they can see the time easier instead of away from them. So really a sharp looking watch. There's only 800 of these watches worldwide, and every time you look at it, you can see me moving the head of the watch back and forth here. We've seen it at a few different angles. That SHIPPO enameling is just stunning. And the case is a stainless steel case with their super hard coating, and it is a dual curved and sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating. Now the case back that we saw earlier, that is also a sapphire crystal in it, and it is a screw case back. I like the signature S that they put on the crown. We've seen it a few times in the video. The diameter of this watch is, say it, a little bigger thickness wise for a dress watch. It doesn't fit under the cuff too well because the thickness is 14.1 millimeters. But it is 40.6 millimeters for the size of the watch, which isn't too bad. It's really the thickness where it kind of gets you. I'll hold up to my wrist so you can see it in a little bit, and you can get the idea of it. But overall, the size is great. It's 10 bar, and it's a leather material that is taken from LWG certified tanneries. And this one again is a limited edition of 800. Taking a look at the watch, and I'll put it here on my wrist. Again, it's up 40.8 millimeters, and the thickness, a lot of the Pressages are kind of on the thicker size. It's 14.1 millimeter, but that blue is stunning. You can see how it really pays homage to like the deep blue sea. And thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it. This watch has no lume, so we won't be taking it in the dark and checking it out. I appreciate everyone taking the time to watch the video. If you have any questions or anything, check us out at depalas.com. And there you can see the thickness again. It's just such a fun watch to look at. It's going to be hard to stop shooting this video because the dial is so unique and so cool. Thank you all. Have a good one.